can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere. How are you guys doing today? So in today's video, I know I didn't come with anything on my head, so I have my hair in cornrows because I'm about to slay this hair. We're going to go through the process together. So I received hair from a company called SoGood Hair, and they sent me a bob wig, a bob lace front wig actually. Now this is my very first lace front wig. I've been doing closures for the longest time, and I think it's because I'm not the best when it comes to hair. I can't do all the frontal slaying, and I think, you know, wearing frontals is a lot of work, and then it takes skills to be able to pull off a frontal and, you know, have it looking really nice and natural and not too overdone. This is my very first lace front. However, this one came pre-plucked. It came with the hairline pre-plucked, and it just came pre-plucked, and it looked really good. This is the package that the wig came in. It came in this white box that says SoGood Hair, and their website is sogoodhair.com. so any info that you need about the hair I will leave in the description below. So the links to the hair, to the company, everything that you need to know, just check the description below. So the back of the box has hair and wig care information. Just talks about how to wash the hair, how to comb it, and then all their details, their Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, phone number, and just everything. That's what is at the back. The hair was sent to me via FedEx, which is so important to me, and this goes out to a lot of companies who send stuff to bloggers, YouTubers to review, and then you use like shitty courier services or like shipping services that you can't even track. You know, that is very annoying. But when companies use reliable companies that you can track, and then you're kept up to date with how everything is going, that is how to send a package. So this was sent to me on the 26th of January, and I was tracking it, and then it told me that the estimated time of delivery was 6th of February, and it came in on the 4th of February. So it got delivered to me on the 4th of February. Tracking was a breeze, everything was easy, delivery was good. That's how it's supposed to be. So inside the package just came this nylon with the hair inside it. So it's a bob lace front wig, and it's a 14 inches, and it's a curly wig. So I brought this wig out of the pack before, so it doesn't look like it came, but I'm going to leave a picture on the screen so you guys have an idea of how it looked when it came. It still looks pretty much the same, but then a brush has gone through it, so the curls are not as they were. This is what the hair looks like. The curls were a lot tighter than this, I would say. So it has 3 combs. It has 2 combs at the side, and then it has 1 at the back here. And like I told you guys, it's a lace front wig, and the hairline has already been pre-plucked, so you can see that it doesn't have that very unnatural hairline that you see a lot of wigs come looking like, or a lot of, you know, lace fronts come looking like. So I have my hair in 2 cornrows, and it's kind of flat, plus the fact that the hair is like a bulky style hair. I don't need my hair to be laid completely flat, so I'm going to wear my stocking cap, and this is the one I wear when I remember. Actually, I don't wear it all the time, but let's wear it today. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck out some hair from the pattern, just so that the pattern is a little wider than it actually looks. So
Can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
it has elastic adjustments in the back, which are like this. So I'm just going to clip this just going to put the elastic in like one of the, I really want this to be very snug, and I don't have any got to be glue or anything like that, so I'm going to need this to be really snug. So you guys can see how the hair looks without the lace cut off. I think the lace looks pretty natural. I don't know if it's been bleached or anything, but I'm just going to cut off the excess lace and come back and show you guys. Cut the excess lace off, and it was scary because I've never done this before. Never. This is my very first time cutting off lace. So it's an ear-to-ear lace closure, and it's actually big for my head because I have excess hair and I don't have got to be, because I didn't think I needed got to be, but obviously I need got to be. Look at it, it's jumping. But then because of the style of the hair, it's very full, so it covers those two ends. But so I'm going to let it get tacky, and then I'm just going to put that down, and then I'm going to go in with holding spray and just see how it turns out. I'm just going to go in with this holding spray. I hope this works well. I actually went to get holding spray and I didn't get anyone apart from this popular regular Nova one, so I don't know if this is going to work. So I just took out the scarf, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't look bad considering this is my first time. So I'm going to try and lay the front of the hair before I now brush it out, because I feel like you're not seeing the real beauty of this hair. You've not seen it just yet. What the hair looks like in the box, and even if you check on the website, this is what the hair looks like. So I'm just going to brush it out because I have seen it brushed out and it is beautiful. I feel like a white tooth comb will also give this hair a very different look, but I love it with a hairbrush. Can you guys look at how beautiful this hair looks? The more I run my hands through the hair, the fuller it gets, and it just really takes the curls apart. With Gorillaz Knot and the holding spray, the hold is not bad at all. I'm telling you, the hold is not bad. I'm happy with the way it came out. I'm happy with the fact that it wasn't difficult. I think the lace, the color of the lace was just easy for me to work with. There's really no reason why I should do anything to this lace. Now, not just on camera, but looking at it through my mirror, I can hardly see where the line is. I think I just need to get like my laying game on point, and then, you know, direct my baby hairs to just make the baby hairs lay down properly. Other than that, the lace of the hair is beautiful. It blends with my skin so nicely. The hair is so soft and it's so easy to wear. Like, it's so easy to wear. I love the length, I love the style. I just really love it. I want to quickly see if this hair would give me that wet look, because I think that's what it looks like on the website. So I'm just going to put some water on it and just run my hands through it. Maybe a little bit of conditioner. have this wig looking like this as well, and I think it's very cute. I think it looks really beautiful like this. So yeah, basically it's like one wig two ways. If you want it like this or you want it combed out, you choose the one you want. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is me laying my very first frontal ever on camera, and I think it's a huge feat because I never thought I'd be able to do this thing, honestly. But I was like, you know what, I want to do it on camera. I want you guys to see how I'm going to do it. I didn't want to do it off camera and then hide my mistakes and then come here and act like it was very easy. So you guys have seen it. The frontal didn't lay completely because, like I said, the lace is a bit too big for my head. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.